Hi everybody, this is a video to introduce you to our class website. When you log in, this should be the first thing you see. This is our week 1 homepage, and you will just begin the course by clicking this Start Here button, and that's going to take you through a series of kind of introductory things for our first week. After you've done all those introductory things, you can just click this button that's going to take you immediately to week 1. And then I will be changing this home page later after that first week, and I'll show you that later in a minute. But I wanted to first focus in on this link here, the Smart Search. This is something that I don't think a lot of people know about. If you click that Smart Search and then type in something here that you know is in the course but you don't know where it is, and hit enter, it's going to show you all the places that show up in the course with that thing. So for example, if you want information about thesis statements, you would type in thesis statements there and hit enter, and it's going to show you all the pages in the whole course that talk about thesis statements. All right, let's go back to the home. So as I told you, you will start with this Start Here. After that, you will just go to week 1, and this is going to take you through the week. The way you should proceed in all of the weeks is starting on the first page of the week, reading through it carefully, and then clicking next. And it'll take you to the next page. And there's a video there, and then next. And it'll take you to the next page, and in this case, it's the introduction page for this first week. So that's how you want to do it. You do not want to begin every week by clicking on the assignments and seeing what assignments you have to do, because if you do that, you're going to miss all of the introductory material, all of the instructions for those assignments. Announcements will take you to the announcements for the course. Come on now. You don't have any posted yet. Syllabus will take you to the course syllabus. If you want to look at the overview of the syllabus, you can click that. Overview of the course outline, you can click that. Online versions of both, you can click those. And then this gives you a sort of calendar listing of all of the assignments that are going to be upcoming here. Modules just gets you connected with what are the modules that we're going to be talking about in the course. If you click that, it's going to show you all of the pages that are in any particular module. You can see here that some of them are going to be locked. Usually what we do in this course is that the following week's activities will unlock on Friday. Okay, so let me go back and show you. If I'm looking on the syllabus and I'm looking at a calendar, we are starting August 18th. The following week on the 25th, this is going to be week 2. Week 2 will open up on Friday the 22nd, so that people who want to start working ahead can work through that weekend, okay? And then week 2, which starts the 25th, is going to end on the 31st, the following Sunday. So hopefully that's clear. You can access all of the discussions through the Discussions tab. You can access all of the assignments through this Assignments link. It will show you here upcoming assignments listed that way. You can also, instead of show by date, you can click show by type. And if you do that, it's going to show you the various kinds of assignments. You have discussions, you have assignments, and then you have essay number 0, essay number 1, essay number 2. This is, I think, the best way to do it, because then you're going to be able to easily find the assignment that you want. And let me show you this real quick. It's not going to show you. But if you had essay number 1, it's going to give you all of the description of essay number 1, and then down at the very bottom is going to be a spot where you would turn in your essay. The next one is grades. Clicking on that is going to take you to your individual grades for each assignment. You want to be checking this. If there's comments on it, you want to make sure that you are reading those comments. People is just all of the people in the course. Here's an important one. If you click on help, it's going to give you access to the tutoring center and the tutor schedules. It's going to show you that you can do online tutoring and paper review, which is fantastic, and I don't think very many people take advantage of it. It talks about my office hours, which I don't have regular office hours, but I'm happy to meet you and talk with you over Zoom. Again, I feel like not enough people take advantage of that. And then a few other resources down here at the bottom. Clicking on MLA resources will take you to a bunch of information and links about Modern Language Association's formatting, which is what we use in this course. If we ever do schedule a Zoom meeting, you'll click Zoom. If you click online library resources, it's going to take you to a page outside the class that just gives you lots of information about the Saddleback Library, which you will be using in this course. And then chat just gets you to a chat page. And I'm the only one there. All right. That is it. Once we get past the first week, this page is going to change, and there will be buttons down here that'll say week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, broken down by the 4 units that we have in the class, and you will just click one of those buttons to get to the week you want. So if you ever have any questions, as it says here, please email me. You can do that through the Canvas inbox over here. And if you have any questions, let me know. I look forward to seeing you in this course.